Tutorial on how to make a transparent e-signature using Microsoft Word. First, write your signature on a plain bond paper using a marker. Next, take a clear picture of your signature using your cell phone and send it to your computer. Then open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint application. So in this tutorial, we will be using the Microsoft Word. Then go to Insert tab, click Pictures, click this device and look for the location of your signature. Select the picture and click Insert. Once the picture of your signature has been inserted, double-click the picture and under Picture Format tab, click Remove Background. So the pink areas are the areas that will be removed from your picture. If there are remaining areas that you want to remove, click Mark Areas to Remove, then select those areas on your picture. But in case that there are some areas that you don't want to be removed and they are highlighted in pink, click Mark Areas to Keep and select those areas that you don't want to be removed. Once you are satisfied, click Keep Changes checkmark at the top. Now your signature is transparent, but before you can put it at the top of your name, change the wrap text to in front of text. Now to save your e-signature without a white background, right-click the picture, select Save as Picture, then select the file type, Portable Network Graphics or the file extension .png. Then select the location where you want to save it, then type the file name and click Save. And by the way, when resizing your picture, make sure you are dragging the corner handle. So it's really important to change the wrap text to in front of text so you can freely move around your picture and place it on top of your text. So drop a comment if you have a question and thank you for watching.